Mastering your 2025 goals. The art of balancing your do list and wish list. As we prepare to welcome the year 2025, it presents a unique and opportune moment for us to pause and engage in thoughtful reflection on our personal and professional goals, as well as our broader aspirations. This transition into a new year is not merely a change in the calendar, it symbolizes a fresh start, a blank canvas upon which we have the opportunity to paint our dreams, ambitions, and desires for the future. Each new year brings with it the promise of renewal, the chance to set new intentions, and the potential to pursue paths that align with our deepest values and hopes. However, it is crucial to recognize that while the new year inspires us to dream big, achieving our goals is not simply a matter of wishing for them to come true. It requires a strategic and thoughtful approach, one that carefully distinguishes between what we can control and influence in our lives and what we merely aspire to achieve. Understanding this distinction is vital because it allows us to focus our energy and resources on actionable steps that can lead us toward our desired outcomes. In this context, we must take the time to set clear, measurable objectives that align with our long-term vision. By breaking down our aspirations into smaller, manageable tasks, we can create a roadmap that guides us through the complexities of the year ahead. This strategic planning involves not only identifying our goals, but also assessing the resources at our disposal, including our time, skills, and support systems. It is essential to embrace a mindset that is adaptable and resilient, as the journey toward achieving our aspirations may encounter unforeseen challenges and obstacles. Moreover, as we embark on this journey, it is equally important to cultivate a sense of self-awareness. By regularly evaluating our progress and adjusting our strategies as needed, we can remain aligned with our goals and make informed decisions that propel us forward. The new year is not just an opportunity to set goals, it is an invitation to grow, evolve, and transform our lives in meaningful ways. Embracing this mindset will empower us to take ownership of our journey, ensuring that we remain committed to our aspirations, even when faced with difficulties. The distinction between a do list and a wish list. Do list, these consist of actions and habits that you can fully control. They rely entirely on your effort and discipline, allowing you to achieve them regardless of outside influences. Wish list, these comprise dreams and ambitions that might depend on external factors. They act as your inspiration and long-term vision, but may need the cooperation and influence of others to come to fruition. Wish lists are motivational and provide us with a purpose in life, helping us focus on the long-term direction of our lives. Crafting your 2025 do list. Your do list should include activities and habits you can engage in every day. Here are some examples. 1. Daily exercise. Establish a regular workout routine that aligns with your lifestyle and fitness objectives. 2. Diet control. Plan your meals and track your nutrition to maintain a balanced diet, resisting fast food or outside food to the extent possible. 3. Choosing friends. Spend time with individuals who enhance your life and bring positivity. 4. Daily reading. Allocate specific time each day for reading to broaden your knowledge and unwind. 5. Early morning waking. Create a consistent sleep schedule to boost productivity and well-being. These are only some of the examples of personal development. Similarly, there could be similar daily activities that can be crafted for professional work as well. Creating your 2025 wish list. Your wish list should embody your broader dreams. These objectives might be influenced by factors outside your immediate control, but act as your guiding stars. 1. Explore new destinations. Visit places you've always dreamed of, considering factors like travel restrictions or budget that are beyond your control. 2. Career progression. Strive for career achievements that depend on external factors, such as promotions or new job opportunities. 3. Skill enhancement. Pursue learning new skills or obtaining certifications that rely on available time and resources. 4. Networking. Develop professional relationships that might be contingent on opportunities and social dynamics. 5. Major purchases. Aims like purchasing a house or car may be influenced by financial situations and market conditions. In other words, these could be short to medium-term inspirational goals as well, which we sometimes confuse with do lists. Balancing your to-do list and wish list. Achieving a successful and fulfilling 2025 depends on balancing your do list and wish list. Your do list keeps you focused on actionable steps you can take each day, while your wish list inspires you and represents your long-term vision. Remember to concentrate on what you can control while keeping your aspirations in view. The tasks on your do list serve as a solid foundation, ensuring consistent progress. Meanwhile, the goals on your wish list provide direction and motivation, encouraging you to strive for greater achievements. By distinguishing between these two types of goals, you can set realistic expectations, maintain control over your daily actions, and remain inspired by your long-term dreams. In conclusion, as we stand on the brink of 2025, let us embrace the opportunity to reflect deeply on our goals and aspirations. Let us approach the new year with a strategic mindset, ready to distinguish between what we can control and what we hope to achieve. By doing so, we can paint a vibrant and fulfilling picture of our future, one that reflects our true potential and aspirations. Together, let us step into this new year with intention and purpose, ready to turn our dreams into reality. Happy New Year 2025, and new quarter of the 21st century.